gas, and just about out of it. Oh, that's it.
So we'll just go and do surround the we just saw. We just finished it. Right here at Classic Movie, they have the finish on the back. One really neat thing is now that you notice this, it goes up. Go to the top and look at this, the airplane. I use it to the left. It's like that. It's finished the roll, the barrel rolls together. It's back on the same course. Watch your legs still in the middle of your left roll. This is down low, down down. There he is. He is rolling the wings. That is allowed us to get a lot more aircraft closer together when they are on the aircraft carrier and the aircraft. But it also is used for the airport as well. Especially in the southeast area, they have parking as better protection. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Rick Sharp showing you all the unique features of this very historic aircraft based right here at Ellington Field. Let's give him one more huge round of applause. He's got the canopy open. I know he can hear you. Come on.